Hello, I hope you are well. Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today it's backdrop day, so I have amazing bags and accessories to sell to you, and we are going straight dive in directly into this video. Wait until the end of the video because I have bag for you. I have to show you at the end of the video, so stay on the video until the end and I have lots of things to explain to you. So let's go. So first bag I have to sell that I received is this amazing Chanel vintage bag. This one has a strap, as you can see. It's a very long strap, so you can wear it crossbody without any issue. We have a very large chains. This bag is such a beauty. We had the huge Chanel logo here. This is the closing of the bag. Otherwise, this bag, the condition of the bag is good, I would say. I'm gonna explain you why. The bag was repainted, was redone, so you can see it, you can feel it, I would say. But yeah, otherwise, condition of the bag on the outside, so it was repainted. You have, I would say, two corners that are damaged. You will see on the pictures on the website. You have every link of the items I'm showing you in the description of this video, so you can go on the website and check the price, the photos and everything. Otherwise, you have corners damaged on the front. On the back, corners are little rubbed, but it's fine. Here you have a little damage. Otherwise, the chains are the chain is good, I would say. Some color discoloration due to the fact it's vintage. Here the strap is actually good. You have some sign of wear here, but otherwise it's very nice. We have a pocket on the front, which is very good inside also. The closing of the bag now. So it works very good. It has some scratches. Of course, it's not brand new, it's vintage. Inside now. So inside is worn, obviously. It's vintage one, I repeat. It's not a perfect condition. You have some sign over here. The pocket inside is very good, but you have some scratches, some signs of wear. It's not perfect inside for this one, and we do not have an original sticker with the serial number inside, but you can see it's still you have still you can see it was here before, but it was detached probably. But the price for this one is quite low because of it. It's 1,300 euro. I will also add on the screen the US dollar price and the UK price, the pound price. This way you have the information on approximately how it costs on this. On the website, you can pay in US dollar. You can pay in your own currency. We ship worldwide. The price you see on the screen is taxes included, guys, okay? So I know in the US, you usually don't have taxes included. In Europe, we do. So you have taxes included. The only thing that you would have to add on the price is customs. But the price is lowered. So usually we have VAT for Europe. Here you do not have it. So you will have to add customs. It's usually a 10% fees added on the items. Usually it's 9-10%. Can be more. Maximum is a 20%. It's normally never more. They should not. But on this type of item, it's usually 9-10%. Let's go for another item I want to show you. Oh yes, I have this. So another item I want to show you is this Louis Vuitton zippy wallet monogram one. Very excited to have this here because usually we have the Sarah one with the Prussian button, but the zippy ones we do not have it regularly. So very excited. Condition on the outside of the canvas is very good. The only thing I would say is corners are a bit damaged, but it's nothing big. You will have also all the photos on the website. Alright, the zip part is quite good, works very fine as you can see. The hardware part is used, but it's not a big deal. Inside is actually very good condition. We have a stain here, a green stain, I would say here also, due to use. But even the coin section is quite okay. We do have on the phone some sign of use and wear. But actually, that's so fine. Otherwise, it's in a very good condition also inside. And the price is 310 euro, which is very good for this type of wallets. Okay, let's go to the next thing. What else can I show you? Oh, yeah, I'm going to show you something that you'll like. This is a Speedy Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas. You love the Speedy. You always ask me a lot of Speedy, so I usually try to find them very quickly because we are sold out so freaking quick on this type of item. So we have a Speedy size 30 monogram canvas. This is a very vintage one. We can see containing like the color also of the leather. This one is very good condition. Like the canvas is a bit dirty, I would say. Leather parts are completely caramelized. You have some sign of damage, like I think it was like sticker, something sticked on it and it was removed, but it's not like you cannot feel it really. It's not damage. Otherwise, inside actually is very good. You do not have any pocket inside because it's a very vintage, and the serial number is SD. So as you can see, freaking vintage. We still have a leather part here for the zipper. So I'm quite honestly very surprised, and in the good way, because it's in very good condition for this type of vintage. It's quite amazing, and the price is very low. It's 389 euro. Knowing that right now it's 1,500 euro on the website, comparing. Voila. Okay, let's go for something else. Okay, also something else here. Chanel. I'm going to show you right now, but I just want to explain to you a few things. So we ship worldwide. If you are in Europe and you do have Mondial Relais, it's a relay post thing, we offer it. But if you are in all around the world, we ship with UPS and DHL. We have also an insurance. So the new insurance we have is the price is way lower. So if you want to include it, we will contact you, of course. Customs, we can help you a little bit about like knowing how much customs approximately will be. We have huge surprises for Christmas. I know you can see the tree here. We put in the tree because we are starting videos with Christmas gift ideas. So I'm very excited. I hope you will enjoy. But also for Christmas, we will make you a very special videos. I'm explaining. So usually we do a backdrop day every Wednesday. We release between like 6 and 10 new items on the website and with this video. For Christmas, I know you guys following YouTube people, you can see like Vlogmas. So Vlogmas is what? It's people who vlog every single day during Christmas until like the 24th, their day, what they're doing and everything. I am going to do a drop mass. And so I'm not going to do a Vlogmas, but I'm going to do a drop mass. Meaning that I will making drops, backdrop day, every single day from the 1st December till the 24th of December included. So how it's gonna work, you will receive an email every single day. I'm sorry in advance, I'm gonna a bit spam you, but it's for the good cause. So you are going to receive every single day in December an email at 6:15 p.m. I will add here on the screen the US time and the UK time also. But you will receive an email every single day with a drop. You will have only one item per day, not more, except for the Wednesday where we're still gonna have a regular drop with between 6 and 10 items. But for Christmas, every day you will have a drop, and one item per day, every single day. That's gonna be available on the website. Voila, I need to talk about it a little bit and to warn you because you're gonna receive every single day in December a mail. So sorry in advance, don't be mad. Hope you guys will enjoy. We will try also to make like giveaways. I will help. We will see. We try to organize giveaways with people we like, people we follow, people we know. If you have some recommendation in the comments, do not hesitate. Let me know. Also, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 28 years old. I'm French, living in Spain. I have my own company, BAM Luxury Store, with my partner Vincent. But I also do every Wednesday and every Sunday a video where I talk mostly about handbags, luxury handbags, because I'm really passionate about this. So passionate that I made it like into a business. And yeah, I talk mostly about fashion sometimes, beauty. I hope you will enjoy, so do not hesitate to subscribe. Anyway, let's go back to the video. Sorry for this little aparté, this little pause. We have here a Chanel wallet. You will love it. So we have the box for this one. We had the dust bag. We also had like the card, like the authenticity card, papers, everything. So, little unboxing for this one. Hop la, voila, love it. This is a bifold long wallet. This is a classic one, pink. You have like the little pocket on the back as like the classic flap bag. Very excited actually about this one. The color is just insane. We have a silver hardware for this one and a pink inside, like remembering the color at the wallet. So it's quite amazing. This one was also repainting. You can feel it. It's a bit dry on the top of the wallet. Corners were a bit redone. It was not redone at Chanel, clearly, but still we have a very low price about this one. Inside also is bright pink. You have the Chanel sign here. Lots of card pocket here. Tons of pockets. One here, one here. Also here, you have so many. Like, it's insane. Coin section, coin case is quite dirty, but as always in this kind of wallets, we still have the sticker inside, and we have another like pocket here, dirty also. But otherwise, the price is 329 euro. Very, very, very good deal for this one. If it's your first wallet, it's a very good one. And yeah, it will last for a long time. It's like always a good investment for Chanel. So why not? Stay until the end of the video because I have a huge Hermès surprise for you. Okay, now I have a Gucci surprise. This is kind of looks like a Jackie Gucci bag. Condition of this one is exceptional. Like, it's a very good condition one. It's not a brand new one, but it's very good condition. We had the dust bag for this one, so I'm very, very excited. I'm just gonna close again and I'll show you how it looks like. So the little sticker here is my price tag. Sorry, that doesn't look super good. So below the bag is very good. It's leather under the bag, very good condition. You have half leather, half Kanda fabric, so it's nice. Handles in leather are in a very good condition, I have to say. Now the bag is clearly in very good condition. Like, the hardware is silver and little scratches, but otherwise super nice. Inside of the bag is an amazing condition. We have like a zipper pocket here, also in amazing condition. Now the bag is very, very good actually. And price for this one is 420 euro. So I don't know what to say because the price is quite low, quite insane for this type of bag. So yeah, it's available right now. Let's go for Hermès surprise. So this is the first Hermès surprise we have. So we have the box for this little baby. And we have an Hermès Click H bracelet. So it's gold hardware and it's black email. I love it. The price is 489 euro. It's used, good condition, I would say. Very lovely. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Like, the color is perfect, actually. It's gorgeous. Okay, so what I have to say about this one, like, one side is actually in a good condition, but the other side is more used, I would say. This side is more used. You can clearly see it. You have like scratches on it. It was worn a couple of times, but otherwise very good condition. Letter is G for this one. You have the Hermès stamps, of course. This one is gorgeous. Like, the price also is quite good, so it's now available on the website. Okay, now time for the big surprise that I wanted to show you. Here it is. Hermès dust bag for this one. This is the only thing I have for this one. I do not have the box or the invoice. It's a client who left me the bag. She worn it a couple of times, but look at this. We have a Lindy bag from Hermès, Togo leather. This color is kind of a violet color. It's amazing. This is the biggest size you can get. We have like kind of a strap because you can wear it on the shoulder, or you can wear it with the handles. So this one is, I would say, in good condition. It was worn, okay? Worn. So you can see that all the corners are rubbed a little bit. You can read on them at Hermès directly if you want. If you plan on wearing a leather bag, I would not necessarily advise you to do it straight away because it's not a damage. It's more like the painting goes out a little bit, but it's not like damage. Okay, let's open the bag now. So I like the opening of the bag because you just have to change this. So the closing of the bag is a bit light, but this is how it is. So you open like Kelly, so it's actually very cute, or Birkin. This is a very nice opening. Then you have like zippers on the side of the bag. So now I'm going to show you the inside of the bag. So when you open it, you have like this part of the leather. Here you have little stains. Otherwise, inside has scratches. It was worn, it was used, but it's it's not that bad, and it's like a used bag. So obviously, inside what I like is that you have two pockets, one here and the other one here, so you can use them a lot. You have some little stain, but otherwise that's quite good. And you will see the price is so nice. The price is €2,600, available right now. Knowing that this kind of bag is worth so way more, I will try to put you the retail price on the screen. Knowing that usually Hermès price are selling for higher price than the retail store usually. Here we do not. So congrats, you can have the bag. So here it is for this amazing bag. Happy Bag Drop Day, guys. I hope you enjoyed my selection. You can go directly shop on the website, bamluxurystore.com. This is the website I own with my partner, Vincent. We are co-founder on this. So excited because it's been more than a year now and it's growing so fast thanks to you. We are selling way more now to the US, to Canada, to Denmark, even from like Dubai, or we are super grateful for this. Thank you so much for this big adventure. Welcome if you're new here. Welcome to the BLS family, as I call it, and also in the margavalux YouTube channel. So welcome here. Here is always like with a smile and a good vibe energy. So yeah, I will see you in the next video, probably tomorrow. So have a very good day and see you soon. Bye.